Hello grade 8 students! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Angelito Panuncio. In this video, you will learn how to factor completely polynomials with common monomial factors. Factor its expression. So there are two steps in factoring with common monomial factor. The first step is get or find the GCF. Second step, divide its term by the GCF. Okay, in our number 1, we have 14f cubed plus 42f raised to 5 less 77f raised to 7. Okay, ano nga ba ang GCF natin dyan? Meron tayong 14, 42, and 77. What's the GCF? We have 7. Next question. Sa variables, lahat ba sila merong variable f? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin din natin yung variable f. Next. Ano ba ang lowest exponent ng variable natin? We have 3, 5, and 7. Okay? Lowest exponent, we have 3. So, ibig sabihin, 3 ang kukunin natin na exponent. Now, 7f cubed now is our GCF. Okay? Second step tayo. Divide each term by the GCF. 14 divided by 7, we have 2. F cubed divided by f cubed is equal to 1. So, hindi na natin kailangan isulat. Next, plus, kopyahin lang natin. 42 divided by 7, you have 6. Next, f raised to 5 divided by f cubed, we have f squared. Next, negative yan. So, kapain lang natin. Negative or minus sign. 77 divided by 7, we have 11. F raised to 7 divided by f cubed, we have f raised to 4. Then, close parenthesis. Ito na yung magiging sagot sa ating problem number 1. Next problem tayo, number 2. We have 42j squared k less 78j k cubed plus 66j cubed k raised to 4. So, ano ang GCF natin dyan? We have 6. Next, tingnan natin kapag lahat ba ng term ay merong variable j. May variable j sa first term, second term, meron din. Third term, meron din. So, kokopyahin lang natin yung variable j. Next, tingnan natin kung ano ba ang lowest exponent ng variable j. So, 2, 1, 3. So, ang lowest exponent natin ay yung 1. So, 1 ang nandito. But, we don't need to write. Next, tingnan natin kapag lahat ba sila ay may variable k. May variable k, variable k, variable k. Ibig sabihin, kokopyahin natin yung variable k. Next, lowest exponent, 1, 3, 4. So, meron tayong 1. 1 din ang maging exponent ng k natin dito. So, ang ating GCF now is 6jk. Okay? Proceed tayo sa second step. Divide its term by the GCF. 42 divided by 6, we have 7. J squared divided by j, we have j. K divided by k is equal to 1. So, hindi na natin kailangan isulat. Next, subtraction yan, kaya subtraction ang nilagay natin dito. Okay? So, 78 divided by 6, we have 30. J divided by j, we have 1. Hindi na natin kailangan isulat. K cubed divided by k, we have k squared. Next, plus, pen na natin plus, 66 divided by 6, we have 11. j cubed divided by j, we have j squared. K raised to 4 divided by k, we have k cubed. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin sa problem number 2. So, let's proceed to problem number 3. We have negative 8 p cubed q less 16 p squared less p raised to a cubed. So, ano nga bang magiging GCF natin dyan? We have negative 8, negative 16, and negative 1. So, ibig sabihin, negative 1 ang ating GCF. But, hindi na natin kailangan ilagay yung number 1. Okay? Sa variable tayo. Tingnan natin kapag lahat ng term ay meron bang variable p. Merong variable p dito, p, then p. So, ibig sabihin, kunin natin yung variable p. Next, tignan kung ano ang lowest exponent ng variable p natin. 3, 2, 8. So, ibig sabihin, ang lowest exponent natin ay 2. Iyon yung kakopyahin natin. Next, variable q. Dito wala, dito meron. So, hindi naman lahat ng term merong variable q, so hindi na natin kukunin as a GCF yung variable q. Ito lang ang ating GCF sa problem number 3. Okay, proceed tayo sa second step. Divide each term by the GCF. Okay? So, negative 8 divided by negative 1, so magiging positive 8 na siya. Next, p cubed divided by p squared. Okay, p na lang ang variable natin. Next, copy variable q. Plus, bakit plus? Ayan. Instead na negative ang ilagay natin, ayan, meron na kasing negative doon sa GCF natin. So, plus, negative 16 divided by negative 1 is equal to 16. P squared divided by p squared is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan ilagay. Next, ayan, negative, so magiging plus na naman. Okay? P raised to 8 divided by p squared, we have p raised to 6. Then, copy variable q. Ito na yung magiging sagot natin sa problem number 3. Next problem tayo. Number 4. So, in number 4, we have 5t raised to 4u plus k t cubed u squared less 10t raised to 4. Sagutan natin, ano ba ang greatest common factor ng problem number 4 natin? So, our numerical coefficient, we have 5, 1, and negative 10. So, meron ng 1, so ibig sabihin, 1 po ang greatest common factor ng ating numerical coefficients. Next, tingnan natin kapag lahat ng term ay merong variable t. Variable t, dito may variable t, may variable t. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng term merong variable t. So, kokopyahin lang natin variable t. Next, tingnan ang lowest exponent. We have 4, 3, then 4. So, ibig sabihin, lowest exponent natin ay 3. Next, variable u. Lahat ba ng terms ay may variable u? Dito, meron. Dito, wala. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin kokopyahin yung variable u. Proceed tayo sa second step. Ang second step, divide each term by the GCF. So, ang GCF lang natin ay t raised to 3 or t cubed. So, yan, 5 divided by 1, yan, 5, copy na natin. T raised to 4 divided by t cubed, we have t. Then, copy variable u as k, copy that variable k. T raised to 3 or t cubed divided by t cubed is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan ilagay yung 1. U square, kopyahin lang natin. Next, less, copy less, 10, and copy, t raised to 4 divided by t cubed, we have t. So, ito na yung magiging sagot sa problem number 4. Okay? So, next problem tayo. We have 64w square x plus 28w raised to 4x less 72w cube x. Ano ang GCF ng ating numerical coefficient 64, 28, and 72? So, our GCF is 4. Next, tingnan natin kapag lahat ng term ay meron bang variable w. Meron w, may variable w, meron variable w. So, kopyahin natin yung variable w. Okay? Tingnan naman natin kung ano ang lowest exponent ng variable w natin. 2, 4, 3. Lowest exponent, 2. So, 2 ang kokopyahin natin. Next, may variable x, variable x, variable x. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng term merong variable x, kokopyahin din natin. Tingnan ang lowest exponent ng variable x, 1, 1, 1. Ibig sabihin, 1 din ang exponent ng ating variable x dito. So, ito na ngayon yung GCF natin. Okay, step number 2, divide each term by the GCF. 64 divided by 4. We have 16. W square divided by W square is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan isulat. X divided by X is equal to 1. Hindi na rin natin kailangan isulat. Okay, next tayo. Plus. Happy plus. 28 divided by 4. We have 7. And W raised to 4 divided by W square. We have W square. Next, x divided by x, we have 1. Hindi na natin kailangan sulat. Next, less, happy minus sign. 72 divided by 4, we have 18. W cube divided by W square, we have W. Next, x divided by x is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan sulat. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung magiging sagot natin or factors ng ating problem number 5. Okay? Next tayo, problem number 6. We have 36x cubed less 42y raised to 4 plus 24z. So, ano ang GCF natin? We have 36, negative 42, and 24. Okay, our GCF is 6. Okay, variable x. Lahat ba ng term ay merong variable x? Okay, wala. So, ibig sabihin, sa problem number 6 natin, wala tayong similar variable. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging greatest common factor lang natin ay 6. Proceed tayo sa second step. Divide its term by the GCF. 36 divided by 6, we have 6. X cube, walang nag-divide dyan. Divide by 1 is equal to x cube din. Okay na natin less. 42 divided by 6, we have 7. Copy natin variable y raised to 4. Tapos plus 24 divided by 6, we have 4. Then, copy variable z. So, ito na yung magiging sagot sa problem number 6 natin. Okay, so let's proceed to problem number 7. Problem number 7, we have 85c d raised to 4 less 60 c cubed d square plus 95 cd. So, ano ang GCF natin dyan? Okay. 85, negative 60, and 95. The GCF is 5. Next, tingnan natin kapag lahat ng term ay meron bang variable c. May variable c, variable c, variable c. So, ibig sabihin, pakopyahin natin yung variable c. Tingnan ang lowest exponent, 1, 3, 1. So, ibig sabihin, 1 ang magiging exponent ng ating variable c. Next, tingnan natin kapag lahat ng term ay meron bang variable d. Variable d, variable d, variable d. So, ibig sabihin, kakopyahin din natin yung variable d. Lowest exponent, 4, 2, 1. So, ibig sabihin, 1 ang magiging exponent natin. So, 5CD ang greatest common factor sa number 7. Okay, let's proceed to second step. Divide each term by the GCF. 85 divided by 5. We have 70. C divided by C is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan isulat. D raised to 4 divided by D, we have D cubed. Next, less yan. So, ibig sabihin less din dito. 60 divided by 5, we have 12. C cubed divided by C, we have C squared. D squared divided by D, we have D. Next, plus. So, plus dito. 95 divided by 5. We have 19. Okay? C divided by C is equal to 1. So, hindi na natin kailangan isulat. D divided by D is equal to 1. Hindi na rin natin kailangan isulat. Then, close parenthesis. Ito na ang magiging sagot sa problem number 7 natin. Okay? Okay, so now, let's proceed to problem number 8. In problem number 8, we have G squared H cubed J squared plus G cubed H K squared less H raised to 7 K cubed M. So, ano ang magiging GCF natin dyan? As you can see, our numerical coefficient is 1. So, ibig sabihin, 1 ang GCF natin. Ngayon, tingnan natin ang variable kung ano ang similar sa lahat ng term. G, mayroong variable G, pero dito, wala. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin kukunin yung variable G as GCF. Variable H tayo. H, variable H, variable H. Lahat ng terms mayroong variable H, ibig sabihin, kakopyahin natin. Next, tingnan natin ang lowest exponent ng variable H. We have 3, 1, and 7. So, ibig sabihin, lowest exponent natin ay 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang exponent ng variable H natin ay 1. Okay? So, J tayo, variable J. Tingnan natin kapag lahat ng term ay meron bang variable J. So, variable J, dito wala, dito wala. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na natin kakopyahin yung variable J. Ang GCF line natin ay variable H. So, next, proceed tayo sa second step. Second step natin, divide each term by the GCF. G squared, kokopyahin lang natin. G squared. And H cubed divided by H, we have H squared. J squared, kopyahin ulit natin. Plus, yan. G cubed, copy. H divided by H is equal to 1, hindi na natin kailangang isulat. K squared, kopyahin lang natin. Yan. Next, less H raised to 7 divided by H, we have H raised to 6. Then, K cubed, copy. Then, the variable M. So, ito na yung magiging sagot natin sa problem number 8. Okay, number 9 tayo. Problem number 9. We have 459x less 621. Ano naman kaya ang GCF ng 459 and 629? Okay, the GCF is 27. Okay. So, 27 ang GCF natin. Tingnan natin, meron variable x ba lahat ng terms? Dito meron, dito wala. So, ibig sabihin, hindi na natin kokopyahin yung variable x. Ang GCF line natin ay 27. Proceed tayo sa second step. 459 divided by 27, we have 70. X, kopyahin lang natin. Less 621 divided by 27, we have 23. So, ayan na yung magiging common monomial factor natin, or ito yung magiging sagot natin sa problem number 9. Okay? Next, let's proceed to problem number 10. In problem number 10, we have 161 less 460x. Ano naman kaya ang GCF ng 161 and negative 460? Okay, so anong GCF? Ang GCF natin ay 23. Okay, wala nang variable x dito or wala nang ibang variable, so 23 na ang magiging GCF natin. Okay, second step, divide each term by the GCF. 161 divided by 23. Okay, we have 7. Next, less 460 divided by 23. We have 20. Then, copy variable x. Since wala na tayong divide that. So, ito na po yung magiging sagot sa problem number 10 natin. Okay? So, let's proceed now to problem number 11 or our last problem. So, dito, mayroong technique na i-groups muna natin siya. So, ibig sabihin, 8AC, papihin lang natin muna, less 2AD. Yan. I-group natin plus 4BC less BD. Ayan. Ginroup muna natin siya. Next, tingnan natin kung ano ang GCF ng first group natin. So, we have 8AC less 2AD. Anong GCF? Magkakaroon tayo ng GCF na 2A. Okay? Then, open parenthesis. Divide natin. 8 divided by 2, we have 4. A divided by A is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan ilagay. C, so kakopay lang natin. Less 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Hindi natin kailangan ilagay. A divided by A is equal to 1. Hindi na rin natin kailangan ilagay. So, yung D ang kakopay natin. Ayan. Plus, dito tayo sa second group. Ayan. What is the GCF of 4BC less BD? So, ang GCF natin ay B. Variable B lang ang magkapareho. Next, divide each term by the GCF. So, we have 4. Then, B divided by B is equal to 1. Hindi na natin kailangan lagay. Sa C, papihin natin since karoon tayo B divided dito, 1. Less, ayan, B divided by B is equal to 1. Then, copy the variable D. So, ayan. So, as you can see, meron na tayong common monomial factor. 4C less D, then 4C less D. Magkapareho. So, ayan, pagsasamahin lang natin. 4C less D multiply to, ayan, nasa labas ng parenthesis 2A plus D. So, ito na yung magiging sagot sa problem number 11 natin. Okay? So, in solving mathematics problem, katulad lamang din yan sa musika. They practice every day to have their own masterpiece. So, remember, practice makes perfect.